Madaktari wa dawa na meno pia humu nchini wamesema kuwa kaunti nyingi ambazo hazijakuwa zimewalipa wafanyikazi wao wa afya mishahara yao ya Machi zimefanya hivyo, isipokuwa Kisumu, ambapo walisema kuwa mishahara ya madaktari inafaa kuingia tarehe 15 kila mwezi. Kama hawatakuwa wanafanya hivyo, wanatishia kwenda mgomo.
Almost all counties had paid their March salaries except Kisumu County, which actually proceeded to get an injunction from the courts to stop the ongoing walkouts that doctors and other healthcare workers were having. But we are law-abiding citizens. We have to comply to the courts. But we are saying it is just like treating diarrhea by blocking the anal orifice. That's what actually Kisumu County and the counties are doing. Kenya has, again, almost the highest number of unemployed healthcare workers across the East Africa. So this is a rallying call that if we talk about universal healthcare, then it must go hand in hand with funding. We are giving permanent notice to all the 47 counties that by 5th of May, the April salaries should be paid.